Okay, the first part we did in timer was just to understand, different modes of timer. Then in the second part, we try to create some maximum delay. Okay, maximum delay of this each mode of timer. In the third section, what we will do is now, what about some desired delay? Like for example, if you want something like a machine or something like traffic light to wait for you for around 30 minutes, and it will notify you after 30 minutes that I'm waiting, it's 30 minutes. Or alarm chichu alarm ya timer rai mati every after 24 hours this alarm should make a buzzer always at 7 a.m, something like that, a desired value. How to do that? Okay, so there is a small calculation. Let's focus on this first question now. Okay, write a program. Okay, write a program to create a square wave using timer in mode 1 in port 1.5 with a frequency of 10 hertz. Okay, assume clock frequency of 11.0592. Okay, that means I need to create one square wave that has a frequency of 10 hertz low. That is a frequency of 10 hertz, and of course it should be in 11.0592 clock frequency. And similar to yesterday's question, that it has to be operated, that square wave signal should be generated by your pin number 1.5 in mode 1. How to do that? Okay, now 10 megahertz, if I convert that, first you have to convert this into time period. So 1 divided by 10 hertz will be 100 millisecond. Please check 1 divided by 10 the ani ina mina. Check the Haji. Check it. I expect you all to take some note in your respective notebooks. Microproduct practical, this one. One divided by 10, how much is it coming? 100 millisecond?
Yes, sir.
100 millisecond, right? Then question analu square wave se dubade, but this question does not say whether to keep this 50% duty cycle or not. So I'll just take this as universal 50% duty cycle. That is for on and off, it will be of equal interval of time. How much? 50 millisecond, because it is 100 millisecond. That's why I want to keep this one on time as 50, off time as 50 millisecond. Are you getting? This is not a question. Now calculate the value of timer to provide. Okay, now time is set. Time now when time is set, now you have to see what values you have to put in the timer in order to have that much of delay. Are you getting? 50 millisecond ki denlu, what value has to be loaded in your timer? Same about the next question. So calculate the value of timer to provide a delay. Okay, see the value of the timer, TH1 value and TL1 value. I have to get, since this is a timer 1 in mode 1, so that's why mode 1 na jani denlu. What should be the value to of TH1 and TL1 in order to keep that in order to have a delay of 100 millisecond time period. Okay, that is increment of timer. That means each tick of the timer, okay, each tick of the timer should have a value. Okay, so 50 millisecond beni denlu, how much it should be, that means. So I'll divide this by your each tick. Okay, I will divide this 50 millisecond by each tick. That value will come, that value will be in decimal number. This one you have to convert in hexadecimal number. Are you getting? Hexadecimal number, now convert down. Now since this is your mode 1, that's why the highest maximum count will be FFFF. Okay, so that's why FFFF minus this value plus 1. This is the formula. This will come to that final value. The final value, this value should be loaded in TH0 and TL1. Okay, I'll share the screen once. Now, if I want a clock cycle, okay, of 100 millisecond from here, clock period, I mean, one clock cycle to be 100 millisecond. Okay, I need to divide the on period for 50 millisecond and off period for another 50 millisecond. This is when duty cycle is 50% because it's equal. Okay, one tick will always take 1.085 millisecond. One tick. This is the time for one tick. Okay, total tick from here to here, it is only till half mein ana half bandelu. Half of the cycle takes 50 millisecond. So I will divide 50 divided by 1.085 millisecond. Are you getting or not? Equals to one value will come. What is the value? 46083. This is in decimal number. You have to convert this in hexadecimal number. What is the hexadecimal number? B043H, whereby this one will be your TH1 or TH0 if this is timer 0, and this one will be TH not TH, TL1. Are you getting or not? Now Okay, I'll take timer 0 only to ease the thing. TL0, TL0. So how you write a program? Anigidendo. First, T mod, right? Dele T mod की value कच्ची चुन चाहिए. Move T mod. Move T mod
01
0
0 H or 01 H?
0H.
01H.
01 H, because this is mode 1 of timer 0. Move TH1 TH0 comma hash kachimo B4H.
B4H.
B4H. Move TL0 hash
03
03H. And you will get here this cycle. I think I have plotted also, but I'm not able to get that. I've plotted this, but I'm not able to get it. Okay, let's go to this this file. See, I have done this. I think somewhere 00 FB, yeah, 4B. Somewhere I have done. You tried this one, okay? Even if I have not done, you need to get this graph which has 1 period equals to 100 millisecond. Then low, I want to have one square wave. I think I didn't do. Did you understood or not this question?
Yes, sir.
Next question. This first question, this second. The second one is more trickier now. See, write a program and okay, wait. I did a mistake here. This is not TH0 and TL1. The value which I subtract from FF minus this value plus 1 will be your TH0 and TL1. That is 4B FD H. This one will be your TH0 and this one will be your TL0. There is a mistake here. Move TH0 comma hash. It's a mistake. That will be 4BH and move TL0 hash FDH. Okay, this is not the one. There is a mistake here. Yeah, this is the right answer. Plus 1 because 0 count baby deva. Because 0 count baby deva. That's why I need to subtract this. The remaining value will be going into your TH0 and TL1. Okay. Coming back to this calculation again. See, that's what I think I have done. Yeah, 4BFD. See 4b, this one. Is it visible? Visually gani?
Do sir.
See 01 mode 4b th0 no chui fdtl0 no chui. Then move b. Then I started the timer. Okay, still timer 0. Then I want to do this CPLP 1.5 is very important in order to have a square wave. Okay, 1010 it has to toggle, right? And again same thing, and you will get this graph which is having 100 millisecond. See, you will get a 100 millisecond graph. Okay, Dele, I suggest you when you name the file, you any file name jindalu, you give a name, you give your name. Okay, any file name di you give your name. Are you getting? Yes, I'll write it here somewhere. Ani kill nalu last nalu me, and you show that and you give me kill file should be of your name, like example killzang.asm Hanzumbe. See that example. Rajesh.asm. Okay, the Chewang Doji da name you write one for Chewang Doji.asm, something like that. Okay, because there are two Chewangs, right? Tua anebe me, otherwise I'll get confused. The guy, see like this, something like this, multiplication.asm. So I will know that it is your work. Somebody's work, then what's the use? You're just copying. So if it is your work, I will know. So coming back to that calculation, yeah, this one. This calculation is little different. Write a program to create a square wave using same thing. Just the frequency is different now. What is the frequency? 0.1 hertz. If the frequency is 0.1 hertz, the time period will be 10 seconds. I will divide 1 divided by 0.1 hertz, then I'll divide that into 10 seconds. What is the maximum time? What is the maximum time for mode 1? Maximum delay of each phase of the cycle. What is the time?
Seconds.
Maximum time of maximum delay of your mode 1. Is it 10 seconds?
71.1 millisecond. Maximum possible.
How did you get that 71.1 millisecond? How do you get that?
65,536 times 1.085
times 1.085. Yes. Now this part is little confusing. For example, Dachidi, if this is a square wave, it is in mode 1 only. From here to here, it is 50 millisecond. But the maximum time of mode 1 is, maximum delay of mode 1 is 71.1 millisecond. I hope you understand how we have got the email. Please understand this. 61,500, into 1.085 millisecond. This one. Now 71.1 millisecond is greater than 50 millisecond. So I don't have a problem here. I don't have a problem in the previous question because 71.1 millisecond it's already greater than 50 millisecond. So I don't have any problem. But if in the second question, what is happening? Second question, Nalu, it is 10 millisecond. Second question, Nalu, Tame, from here to here, it is 10 millisecond. So that means each half should be how much?
5 milliseconds.
5 millisecond. If it is 50% duty cycle, this I'm telling repeatedly. Question nalu 70% duty cycle you should take more. 70 divided by 100 into 10 bego. 70% duty cycle 50% duty cycle 5 millisecond. How it will get? 1 divided by 2 into 10 millisecond. You will get 5 millisecond. But if it is 70% duty cycle, 70 divided by 100 into 10 millisecond. But since this question is simple, this question is simple. This is only for 50% duty cycle. Question might twist. See, that's what I'm emphasizing more on the concept. So this is 5 millisecond, but 5 millisecond is greater than 71.1 millisecond. Are you getting? 71.1 millisecond is the maximum delay time of mode 1. But you want to achieve 5 millisecond. What you will do here? What you are planning to do here then? How you will do this? You will divide. You will divide this. In this case, in the first case, this is first scenario. In the first scenario, what was happening was 71.1 millisecond is greater, no problem. Here is no problem here in question 1. But in question 2, 5 millisecond is greater than 71.1 millisecond. It is 5 second, I think, not millisecond. I think it's 5 second. 5 second, I think. Yeah, 5 second. It's not 10 millisecond, 5 second. 10 second, 5, but it is one is second, one is, see, it is of difference of, see, so much of second, 4 point something millisecond difference too. How you will do this? Coming back to the question. So maximum possible achievable delay is 71.1 millisecond, but 71.1 millisecond is far less than 5 millisecond. So how you will do? You will divide this 5 millisecond in such a way that it will be less than 71.1 millisecond. How you will do that? 100 into 50. So that means you will divide this 5 second into small 100 parts. Each part will have 50 millisecond, which is less than 71.1 millisecond. Okay, are you getting?
Sir, is it 5 seconds or 5 milliseconds, sir?
5 second. 5 second.
Okay, sir.
5 second. 5 second is greater than, I'm telling you repeatedly, 5 second is greater than 71.1 millisecond. So what you will do here is, you will divide that 5 second into small parts, small time period, in such a way that each time period is less than 71.1 millisecond. Any question nadi problem hindu bate any question nadi. In this question there is no problem. 50 millisecond is already less than 71.1 millisecond. But in this question it came greater, almost 4 second ki difference honu bate. So what you will do, you will divide each this half of the cycle into a small time period, which will have each of the cycle will have 50 millisecond. That way, how many different cycle we need to create? 100 different types of millisecond in order to have 5 millisecond. Calculate the value of timer to provide a delay of 50 millisecond. Then after that, now 50 millisecond ki then lu gachi go dachi chamchi being gachi dachi chamchi being na 50 millisecond divided by 1.0854603 before, then again we'll do that value. Wait, I think there is a mistake here somewhere. See how to do that, and the little bit different either. 50 millisecond achieve benedinlu di. For 50 millisecond achieve benedinlu, you will give th1 value 4b, tl value of fd. That is sure. Now you have to repeat that 100 times. So you need to put this in a loop. Anidhi, you should put in a loop in such a way that that loop will run for 100 times. How you will do that? You will again use DJNZ. I think I have done somewhere here. See here. FD, this one, this question, Anna. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible
Yes,
to you?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
T-mode, I'll give the value 01H. Screenshot पे गच्ची बेरे में it is in your hand, but I need to plot this graph. Okay. You need to show this in your report. So CPL P1.5, because always now here what is happening is you are sending 64 to R4. Now why, how this 64 came out of sudden now? Can you tell me? Can someone tell me? 60, what is this 64?
Counter, sir.
Of course, 64 is a counter, but why 64 out of sudden? In that question, is there 64 anywhere? Analu 64 ye gana question. Remember that everything what is happening, 64 is, can you get me the hexadecimal number of 100? 100 is not hexadecimal number. What is a hexadecimal number of 100? Tell me. Hexadecimal number of 100.
64.
Yeah, that's why that 64 came. I told you always in the question, you will put hexadecimal number. You will not put 100 decimal number. But this calculation is happening in decimal number. So that's why you are converting everything. See, here also you are converting into, ultimately that value you will put in the program. You will not put decimal number. I want this loop to run for 100 times. You will not write 100H here. 100 is a decimal number. You will write the hexadecimal of 100. So that's why 64. So this loop will run for 100 times. Will count for 100 times if you put 64. I hope that is clear. Which loop? This loop. Loop separate by D. Any loop D, it should run for 100 times. Then only you will achieve 5 millisecond. Okay. How are you doing this? By creating one counter. R4 is a counter here, and decrement and jump when R4 is not equal to 0. That is DJNZ R4 comma loop. until and unless R4 is not 0, this loop will be going back here running 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 100 times. Beuda chamchi 5 millisecond. Each loop will run for 50 milliseconds. Okay. Are you getting? Are you getting or not? Then only you will get that. Am I clear to you? Yeah. Any doubt, Lasha? Today's topic is little harder than yesterday's, no?
Sir,
Now question, oh yeah.
why R4, sir, and why not other registers, sir?
Any register you can choose. I have choose R4. This is random. Any register. Any register you can use. First loop na lo, when R4 equal to 1, let's say, when R4 equal to 1, it will send that value and a timer run by, then it will check TF0. TF0 run by dire deumbate. It will count and the timer run by the count. It will count. It will count for how many times?
100 times.
No. It will count for the maximum count. And the count so the loop is different, count is different. This counting is happening inside the loop. Please try to understand. Can you make the flowchart of this? Then only you will understand. You are counting for 65,536 times. Because since this is timer 1, mode 1 of timer 0. Inside this loop, see first concentrate each line na tame. Please write the comment me and comment module program please write the comment me because I have not written the comment. This is just my sample program source code. 01 T mode na send B because it is mode 1. CPL P1.5 because I want a square wave on off and it is 50% duty cycle. Please understand this. If it is not 50%, then you will not write CPL actually. What will be the program? And tada doro. This is different topic doro. More tougher. Move R4 comma hash 64H. Why? Because I want the loop to run for 100 times. So R4 is acting like a counter here. Comment nalo anjumti. So R4 is a counter. It is the hexadecimal number of 100. Comment. Then I'll start with the loop. Which loop to run? This loop. Move TH0 comma hash 4BH. TH0 na 4B send B, TL0 na FD. Why we have sent? Because in order to achieve 50 millisecond, I've already got this value. Then I will start the timer. That timer will count from 4BFD to FFFF. If I do like this, set B TR0 it will count, the timer will count from 4BFD to FFFF. How it will do? By using this set B TR0. And when it is full, I need to raise the flag, overflow flag. That will be checked by JNBTF0. So JNBTF0 comma again, this will remain there until and unless it reaches FFFF. 4BF delay FFFF. When it reaches FFFF, TF0 will be 1. That time. Okay, your overflow flag will be 1. That time, suddenly it will come out of the loop when it is 1 and it will clear your timer run. It will clear your overflow flag. Then DJNZ R4F the loop, that time it will be That's a 64th loop na devate. That DJ 64 will be decremented by 63 now. So next loop na he da 63 na analo he. R4 is not 0. Again repeat. Ane he. Daru runway. Are you getting or not? I'll ask you one question, critical question here. Anidip anale anachinche henidillu 5 second imevade. From here to here you need 5 millisecond. If you do that, why the graph is not coming like this then? If 50 millisecond be anale, or let's say dot anale anachinche 50 millisecond imevade. 50 millisecond. Anale anachinche if 5 seconds 10 times imevade. But why your graph is not coming like this? Why your graph is plain, Anna? Tame. When I plot this graph, the graph is same. See, Anna mere dubade matching graph. Anale ana chinche check biodolu 10 millisecond na devani. Why? Anale ana chinche. See, if I'm putting the cursor, maximum time 11.059, 11 second 2 minutes. So 10 second, around 10 seconds. Why there is no small graph here? That is my question. Why?
Because we are not using complement in the loop, sir.
Inside the loop, we are not using the complement. If you write CPL inside the loop, then you will be complementing many times. CPL and Chika Jani, then till now we are putting CPL P1.5 somewhere here. See in the other before Anna. CPL was inside me, but here in this case CPL is outside. That's why. There is a reason. If you put CPL inside, small of 50 millisecond will come. Small graph. Small period will come 10 times. Please check, okay? CPL P1.5 loop gymnasia, you do it once. What is the difference? And you do CPL 1.5 outside and you do it once. What is the difference? See, this is the variety of the question. Now this question is just an example. The question might twist. 0.1 megahertz thama you might have the question might say you delay the you create a delay of 1 day. What you will do? 1 day then you delay create base. Question will come like that, theory null. 1 day delay ja watching. What will do? In 1 day, how many hours are there? In 1 day, how many hours are there? 12 hours, right? Imemena? Yes or no?
$24, no sir.
Okay, let's say 24 hours, 12 hours, same thing. 24 hours is inclusive of 1 night, though. 1 night and plus 1 night, 1 night. Okay, let's say. I'll just 1 night, 1 day will be equal to 24 hours. But to ease our calculation, I'll just keep 1 day for now. Can you tell me what will be the value of TH1 and TL1 if I want to keep the delay of 12 hours? Yeah, who can give me the answer right now? Calculate right now. Yeah. I'll write a question here. Analo. What will be the value of TH0 and TL0 if the desired delay is 12 hours? I mean, okay, TH0, the TL0 in mode 1. In mode 1. Okay, mode 1 na you will have that value only because 50 millisecond is the normal optimal value. But how many times you will run this loop? How many times you will run this 50 millisecond in order to get 12 hours? Can you tell me? Yeah. Optimal, not optical. Optimal value. In mode 1, optimal value is 50 millisecond only because mode 1 के highest maximum is 71.1 millisecond. But will not take 71.1 millisecond because 71.1 millisecond is something like when high calculation but the 71.1 millisecond will create confusion. So we will take 50 millisecond only. But how many times this should run to have 12 hours? Yeah. Who will give me this answer? Did you understood the question? Am I clear to you? Huh? Am I clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what will be the value? You calculate this and you post this answer in your forum. Tua. Kage mein gage right mein honga. Analu.
1,72,800 times, sir.
Yeah, one value will come. Somebody is selling 8 lakh. Somebody is telling 4 lakh. Okay. 12 hours now gamchi second. How many seconds will be there in 12 hours? How you will calculate that? 12 into
60 into 60.
43,200 seconds.
200
seconds. You need to convert this. You need to convert this into millisecond. You need to convert this into millisecond. That value divided by 50. Yeah. So 12 into 60 into 60 into
100.
Is it 100? Divided by this would be okay. I'll write it here. Analu. This is in second. Divided by 50 millisecond should be the number of times this should be repeated. What is the value? Ani, this, what is this x? What is this x? Can you tell me? X is, remember that this value should be in millisecond mein any value. I have written second here. This should be in millisecond. How to convert this second into millisecond?
100 millisecond equals to 1 second, no, sir.
Yeah. Into 1000. Huh? Yes or no?
Into 100, no, sir.
How into 100?
By 1000, sir. Multiply by 1000.
Sir, milli is into 1000.
Okay, sir.
Into 1000. Ani me mena. If you want to convert into millisecond.
1000, sir.
So into 1000 here. So what will be the x? Value of x?
8,64,000.
8,64,000 times you have to run this 50 millisecond. That means one loop maximum one loop can run for 256 times. One loop. You can't even do with this. So that means you might have to create 3-4 loop inside loop, nested loop you have to create for this. Are you getting or not? So see, when you simulate, it might take, this question might take, any question calculate baby simulation might take 1 day. Because the delay happening for 1 day, right? But in the calculation you can do, any calculation calculation, you can at least, you know, estimate. Okay, amchi loop the run bechu. Say. Okay. So I'll give you one question here. Okay, clear. This question, please post this in your forum. Okay, any question? Analu. This is just your exercise.
Okay, sir.
Write a program. Okay, write a program. This last question for today. Write a program to write a program for the street light to be on for, okay, to be on for okay, 2 hours and off for 1 hour for another 2 hour for another 2 hour. Okay, if the mode is one beam or two, if the mode is okay, one only, if the mode is one and the timer, if the mode is one, timer is, okay, timer is use timer one, use timer one, tele show all the calculation, okay, show all the calculation as well. Is it clear? This question you will do and you will show me. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This question you will do and show me using the timer technique. Last time ani so technique ya beme ani beni din ani, I hope you remember somewhere long time ago we did one technique to do this, but that time we didn't use timer. But for this you use timer one specifically. That's why I'm telling timer one. Timer one in mode one. Okay. Forum nalu, you can, even in the forum you can calculate it, photograph it, you can paste it there. Upload bechuana, scan baby. Okay. You can also do that, or you can write there itself. I'll see. Agi write the question. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
With this, your timer unit is over. Okay. We end it here. I think I have a meeting now. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
They may. Yeah. We'll start with the new unit, that is serial communication, tomorrow from tomorrow. Wait, Saturday, I think. So yeah. Do this question. I'll post this as a question in forum. You can do that.
सर दर की क्लास YouTube में अपलोड बना लो सर